Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to make a piezo buzzer generate beep sound with Arduino Uno using Arduino starter kit. This project explains when voltage are supplied to positive terminal of piezo buzzer, it generates beep sound. For making this project we need Arduino Uno and breadboard which is fixed on Arduino base plate, battery holder with 6 AA battery, male DC jack and switch, piezo buzzer, 2 male to male jumper wire, USB A to B cable. Plot this diagram for connection. Now let's see the sketch of this project. First we create a constant variable for buzzer positive terminal into digital pin 9. Inside the void setup, constant variable are configured using pin mode function. Buzzer is defined as an output. Inside the void loop, a function called digital write, where buzzer is set high for 1 second and low for 1 second. As a result, buzzer will generate beep sound for 1 second and stop for 1 second. Next, connect Arduino and laptop or the system you are using with USB cable. And now upload the code. Now let's see how it works. When you switch on the power supply, piezo buzzer will generate beep sound for 1 second and stop for 1 second. That's it, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.